Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we break down complex system design concepts into stuff you can actually build and use. Today, I'm going to walk you through the companion site for the CodeGranular's Mastering Java Concurrency and Multi-Threading YouTube series. Every episode from the playlist has a dedicated page here with architectural deep dives, code implementations, and comparison tables that you can read at your own pace. Think of it as a permanent reference library that stays with you long after the video ends. Who this is for? This site is built for Java developers who want to understand concurrency at a system level. You might be a backend engineer working with thread pools and synchronization in production. You might be preparing for senior engineering interviews where questions like design a scalable cache or build a custom thread pool come up. Or you might be working through the CodeGranular YouTube playlist and want written notes to reinforce each episode. If any of those describe you, this site is for you. Landing page and getting started. When you first open the site, you will see a welcome modal. Pick an avatar and enter a display name. Think of it as your thread name. After you submit, a guided tour highlights the key sections of the landing page. You can take the tour or skip it and explore on your own. The landing page has a progress bar at the top with two donut-shaped rings. The green ring tracks your progress through the main episodes. Concepts like the Java memory model, thread safety, locking, and the executor framework. The yellow ring tracks your progress through the interview questions. Below the rings, a section called Next Up suggests what to study next in each category. Below the progress bar, you will find the playlist catalog showing up to 6 episode cards, and the interview questions section showing up to 3 question cards. Click any card to open that episode or question. A View All link at the bottom of each section takes you to the full catalog or the full questions list. Episode pages. Each main episode page, numbered 01 through 08, follows the same layout. On the left is a sidebar. It contains a table of contents that links to every section on the page, a watch link that opens the corresponding YouTube video, and a button that says Mark Complete. Click Mark Complete when you finish reading, and a green donut on the landing page updates automatically. The main content area starts with a badge, for example, Episode 03 Resource Notes, followed by the episode title. Below that, each topic is organized into numbered sections. Throughout the page you will find several types of content blocks. Callout boxes highlight key insights. Alert boxes mark common pitfalls and warnings. Tech tables compare implementations side by side. And code containers show runnable Java examples with syntax labels. Hub page and sub-episodes. Episode 04 is different from the others. It is a hub page titled Building Blocks for Concurrency, and it covers concurrent collections, lists, maps, sets, queues, and decks. Each collection type has its own sub-episode. They are designed as focused deep dives linked only from the hub page. Their sidebar has a table of contents and a watch link but no completion toggle. Interview questions. In addition to the main episodes, the site includes interview question pages. Each page presents a realistic concurrency design problem and walks through multiple solution approaches, from a naive first attempt to an optimized final design. The layout matches the main episode pattern, sidebar with table of contents, watch link, and a complete button. It uses a separate progress tracker so your interview question progress does not mix with your episode progress. The yellow donut on the landing page reflects your solved questions. You can find all interview questions on the questions page, which has a search bar to filter by title or description. You can also reach them from the landing page under the interview questions section. Catalog, progress, and FAQ pages. 3 utility pages help you navigate the site. The catalog page lists every main episode and hub in a single scrollable grid. There's a search bar at the top. Typing filters the cards in real time. The progress page gives you a standalone checklist view. It shows every episode and every interview question with a checkbox. You can mark items complete here instead of on the individual pages. On the FAQ page, each question expands when clicked to reveal the answer. The sidebar has an auto-generated table of contents that lists every question for quick navigation. Theme and progress backup. You can switch between dark and light themes using the moon and sun icon in the top navigation bar. The site remembers your preference, so it stays consistent across visits. Your progress. That is, which episodes are marked complete, which questions are marked solved, your name and your avatar, is stored entirely in your browser. You can download your progress as a JSON file from the download button in the navigation bar. This gives you a portable backup. If you switch browsers or clear your data, you can upload that file to restore your progress. That covers everything you need to know to use this site. Whether you are working through the YouTube series or preparing for your next concurrency interview, the companion site is here as your persistent reference. Happy learning!